Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about fennel, and I have a list of herbs and spices that are known to go well with fennel. So if you're looking for something different to do with the fennel that you have, hopefully this will help you out. Fennel goes well with anise, basil, bay leaf, capers, chervil, chicory, chili pepper flakes, coriander, curry powder, curry spices, dill, fennel seeds, mint, mustard seeds, oregano, parsley, pepper, saffron, sage, salt, star anise, tarragon, thyme, and vanilla. I do hope this helps. Bye for now.